It's cracking career ceilings, negotiating like a boss, or simply showing up 10x bolder. Well, ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you, he's not just an average professional in turning into performers. He's the one that makes you a peak performer. Today, let's call him upon by giving him a standing ovation. A man who proves that past doesn't define your future. Well, please raise up and let's get that mindset does with a big round of applause. Let's welcome our Gold Club coach, Rakesh Rana.
Those magic tricks that really help them climb up that one ladder up. Who basically joined the ELC community, and within the 6 months I was able to crack approximate to 66% hike.
So Risers Club to me is a group of leaders who are rising like the sun.
Risers Club Retreat is a powerful energy package which I feel.
The Risers Club is truly a symbolic name for me.
It means to continuously grow.
It's for the risers who are rising from the mid-level to the leadership role.
You are in a cocoon, you want to come out of the cocoon and build your career, join Risers Club.
Risers Club is a mechanism of finding your version 2.0.
Well, the Risers Club retreat is always that the energy that it brings to me is the positive energy.
For me, Riser Club not a name, it's a brand.
Where our mentor Rakesh Rana will teach you step by step how to grow as a leader, make your goal. He will help you to set your vision and mission for your life. That is where you need to join ELC.
You should be keeping behind your negativity and start looking into your positive aspects.
So that keeps me motivated and the energy is truly high.
As Risers is basically links to something called as growth.
It's about the growth.
Give us a chance to our mentor to help you grow.
Get to meet to the next level leaders over there, and obviously with our mentor Mr. Rakesh Rana.
2025.